Benelli may not always be front and center in the sport bike world, but make no mistake, this brand has some serious heritage. Founded in Italy over a century ago, Benelli built its name with race-winning machines and a passion for performance. Fast forward to today, and they're making waves again with a bold new entry into the middleweight class, the all-new Tornado 550. The Tornado 550 comes from a lineage that is loved by enthusiasts and aims to be an affordable Italian option for the middleweight class of sport bikes. It features a 554cc parallel twin that offers 56 horsepower with a 270-degree crank and a 6-speed gearbox. The trellis frame uses the engine as a load-bearing element, combined with an adjustable Marzocchi suspension and Brembo brakes. The tech side includes a 5-inch TFT color display, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB-C, traction control, 2 riding modes, and integrated TPMS. With just 800 millimeters of seat height, or 31.5 inches for us Americans, the Benelli Tornado 550 will fit many riders comfortably. A few weeks ago, Keyway America paid us a visit. They are the distributors for brands like Keyway, Benda, and Benelli. On the truck, they had a few bikes available for test rides. One of them was the new and unreleased Benelli Tornado 550. Here is a raw test ride and preview of what the Tornado 550 has to offer.
Alright, so this is how much I don't know about this bike currently. I'm going to research it before I put this video out, but this is the Benelli Tornado 550. So it is a twin-cylinder sport bike. And with the popularity of this class of sport bike, I figured I gotta at least ride it since they're unloading all this stuff here. It's awesome that these guys are just giving us the opportunity to ride some of this stuff. So I will say, initial thoughts, this thing sounds freaking awesome. It has a really good sound to it. And the seating position on it, I'd say is, you know, it's sport bikey, but it's not too crazy as far as aggressiveness or anything. I'd say it's relatively comfortable for a sport bike. I'm gonna be stuck behind some slow folks here. I'm glad they came when they came because we got some storms coming in here. Okay. So I just got off of riding some of those Bendas, and now this is a Benelli, and I have a little bit of experience with some of the Benelli bikes. One of the guys that I work with, he has a Benelli 500, what is it, a Lancino or something like that, I think is what they call it. And he had a 300 something or other too. That was a while ago. I don't even remember much about that bike. But this feels pretty good. Gauge is easier to read than what I was just riding earlier today. The controls feel, I'd say, very similar to what that Benda layout was, as far as quality and everything else. You know, they're plastic, but they feel solid. Let's get this up here on the collar. There we go. But this bike has a cool look to it, but the sound, it sounds really nice. So, you know, for the sport bike crowd, this has a really good sound. You know, this is a way for someone to get into an Italian sport bike for a reasonable price. And I don't know what this makes for power, but it's fun. This is a really good entry-level sport bike for somebody, or someone that just wants a, you know, back roads kind of canyon carver type of deal. This has fun levels of power, and it has the exhaust note. And the riding position, again, it's not too aggressive. The latest sport bike review that I got out there is a 675 SS, and this is definitely less aggressive than that. Has less power, but you know, it's a different class of bike. I'd say this is probably going to compete more with your 450 SS, which You know, this feels a little bit stronger than one of them for comparing it to a CF Moto. And it handles just like a proper sport bike should. Yeah, front end feels good there. Some of those cracks in the road on a bike earlier I was on, that bobber, kind of felt a little bit out of sorts. This soaked it up really good. Good front end. And the power, you know, it starts to build power in the higher RPM, but it isn't crazy. Alright, we'll slow her down through the residential area, but nice bike. Nice bike. This does what you'd want it to do. It sounds good. You know, it rides nice. It has a cool look to it. You know? This is a awesome, inexpensive way to get yourself an Italian sports bike. Now, yes, these are manufactured in China. I get it. But all the design and R&D is still done in Italy. So the bloodline and the passion that goes into it is still going to be Italian. It freaking sounds good. It revs quick. I got it. Before I bring this back, let's look this over again. Now I'm stopping at the car lot, so a salesman's probably going to come out and try to sell me something, but maybe I'll try to sell him this. This thing's freaking cool. So, one thing I noticed, this is a non-US spec bike. There, now we got headlights. Has a good look to it. Brembo's up front, inverted fork, of course, adjustable. Brembo's in the rear. Benelli. It's a Benelli. Cool bike. Looks like you got traction control. Got different modes. I'm in sport mode, so I don't know how to change any of that stuff. This is just going through that, so very cool bike. Oh, that's a cool truck there. Colorado ZR2. Yeah, if you want something that's not everyone has and it's fun, this is a excellent option for you. You know, it's the last 2 days of my life have been pretty damn fun. I was test riding Harleys yesterday, kind of learning a little bit more about the competition, and had a good time test riding Harleys. Then Keyway USA shows up today, and they bring a bunch of their stuff. So Keyway USA is the distributor for these brands. They own Keyway as well, but they also are a distributor for Benelli in the US here, and now Benda. The Benda stuff I haven't had any opportunity to really look at closely. We saw them at AIM Expo, but that was impressive. This thing's fun. This thing's awesome. This thing's a freaking riot. This is really cool. It does all the right stuff. Like, compare this to like a 450 SS, let's say. This is just, I think, a better bike. Yeah. The one thing I noticed when I didn't notice until I stopped quick to walk around it. This is a non-US spec bike again. The lights were off. I was like, oh, the headlights, what, are they not working? Oh no, it has a switch. So when does this come to the States?
Later this year.
Later this year?
Early next. Right now it's going through EPA, so part of it just depends on when we get the certs.
Okay, so but it is coming. It's not a secret, right?
Right.
It's been released. Okay.
Yeah, no, we showed this at AIM, in fact.
Okay, I thought that I saw it there. Yeah. Okay, that's a freaking good bike. MSRP on that guy?
Right now it's
Not known.
yeah.
Okay.
It's not firm yet.
Okay, but it'll still be, in the line with where you'd expect. Okay. That's a fun bike, Joe. That's a riot, man.
So there you have it, the Benelli Tornado 550. This is a quick preview and a quick test ride, and hopefully I have an opportunity to put more miles on this bike. I really did enjoy it. That's all I got for this video, but if you liked what you saw, please like the video and consider subscribing. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below and I'll get to them as soon as I can. As always, don't forget to enjoy the ride, and I'll see you guys in another video.